Hi friends, welcome back, and today we are going to see a very famous Bhutanese recipe recognized as the national dish of the country, and it's Ema Datshi, where Ema means chili and Datshi means cheese. So basically Ema Datshi is a spicy Bhutanese stew made from hot chili peppers and cheese along with onions, garlic and tomatoes. And friends, this recipe is best enjoyed with some hot steamed rice. So let's get started with this quick, easy and amazing recipe. So first I'm going to roughly chop lengthwise 4 large garlic pods. This is done. Then I will chop 1 medium sized onion into this shape and size. And for this recipe I'm using this long peppers used to make chili pickles, as they are medium spicy, but you can use any other chilies of medium spice level like Picador chilies, jalapenos. First I will cut the top portion with the stem and then cut into half lengthwise. I will now slightly deseed the peppers as I don't want to make this stew very spicy. And the same process I will do for the remaining peppers. And after the peppers have been deseeded, we will cut them further into halves lengthwise. We'll transfer this to a plate. Then I'll be using half of a capsicum or green bell peppers. We'll deseed them first. And now we'll cut them lengthwise in this way. And also I'll be using half of our red bell pepper. We'll deseed them and then cut them in the same way. Next we'll cut a medium sized tomato lengthwise after deseeding them. And friends, the quantity of peppers, garlic, onions and tomatoes will depend upon the portion you are making. So adjust the quantity of veggies accordingly. So the chopping of the veggies is almost done. And here are the chopped veggies, and now we shall start the cooking process. For that we'll heat a teaspoon of vegetable oil in a pan and a small cube of butter. We'll let the butter melt completely and spread the oil and butter on all the sides of the pan. And now into this we will add the garlic cut lengthwise. We'll saute them for a few seconds. At this stage you'll get a lovely aroma of fried garlic in butter. Next into this we will add the sliced onions. On low to medium flame we will saute them for a while. Next into this we will add a teaspoon of chili flakes, and on medium flame we will fry the onions and garlic until they become translucent. And once these are fried well, we will add the tomatoes cut lengthwise. On medium flame we will stir and cook the tomatoes for 1 to 2 minutes until they start to melt. And now time to add the peppers. We'll saute the peppers along with the onions, tomatoes and garlic for a minute or so. And we'll season them with some salt as per taste. We'll mix this well. And now we will add some water, say around 1 cup. We'll stir this once. And now we need to cover and let this simmer on low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check this now. And once the peppers are slightly cooked, we will add some cheese slices. You can add here grated cheese also. And now again we will cover and cook for 2 minutes or until the cheese starts to melt. After about 2 minutes we will remove the lid and stir the melted cheese so that it blends well and forms a rich, creamy and cheesy stew infused with the flavors of chili peppers along with onion, tomatoes and garlic. We'll let this simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And by now our cheesy stew has thickened slightly and is smelling too good. So let's serve our Ema Datshi hot right away. And here goes our spicy and cheesy stew Ema Datshi on the serving plate. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy and delicious recipe, which is best to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.